So round number 2. Let's we're looking at 2016's D13s. Those are white and pushing the wrong one.
There you go.
374. We just got here. So this one has the different shifter for the I shift, and I think I like the colors a little better. It's darker.
Any water?
So I'm gonna go check out right now. I don't want to kick the computer. What I say is let's just check it visually,
Yeah.
and in the meantime, you want to run the region. What is going?
Yeah.
It's gonna take us, you know. So I'm thinking, hey, as we're checking this one,
Yeah.
let's first check it without starting it. Let's check it, and then we'll run
if
it,
it's worth,
and then go to the other one.
Okay.
Go check the other one. Tires for
Tires,
sure.
'cause they got
But at least they didn't put the cheap dealer recaps, you know. Brakes are fine. The only thing we could probably check is if there's any play on the shaft, but you didn't bring a creeper, did you?
Nope, not this time.
Let's open the...
Well, it wasn't swapped, but I don't know. Something tells me it was taken off because of these sleeves right here. You see that sleeve? The spacer between the
It's a new, that's,
Yeah, it's new.
that's new. It's a new exhaust manifold.
exhaust manifold. Yeah, the bolts look on the newer side compared to the sleeve isn't replaced on the
Sure.
Yeah.
They look... Yeah. Nothing was done here.
No.
I was gonna ask, what do you want to look at? Like we mentioned in the previous video, obviously
The
that...
DF dozer. See if there's any buildup right here. There isn't. We have a video on these some DF buildup on these. But no,
This one
can't
doesn't
see
have
them.
one.
No.
Nothing. Harness, everything seems like
Yeah.
it's been...
Which is, it hasn't even been pressure washed, so they can't be lying to you.
Yeah, of course. Which is good. That's
It's good
how
that,
we
you know,
want
we're seeing
to.
this.
That's how I want to look at the truck.
Yeah, you don't want to see a pressure wash painted up.
All right, let's go to the other one, and I think we should run the region on this.
Fuel check valve, low compression. Should have started right up.
Should. Second one. This one's detailed. The other one wasn't. That's why. This is 4417. Just check if there are any codes. We're gonna start it later. I think he's trying to start that first one. Oh no, he's doing a compression test on it.
Still not starting up, so I'm gonna have to prime it.
Number 2.
You got the.
This is 400. Yeah, I do.
Alright, this one was detailed.
Yeah.
But they armor all the engine too, or something. They replace those holes. You see that oil feed hose from the block to the compressor. Main air line was replaced as well. Oh yeah, the module for the 7th injector, ACH module.
CH module, yeah. For 7 injector,
Yeah, that's
didn't know
replaced.
those.
Looks like timing cover was resealed on this one too, as well.
So the one that wasn't gone through.
Compressor as well.
Easier, cooler, yeah. But why? My question is.
This one's low on coolant too. That was probably consuming oil, or was clogged, consuming coolant, and or it was just clogged up with soot,
Yeah.
so it didn't have any efficiency on it. Exhaust manifold was removed too. This one you can see new sleeves, new bolts. But this one's leaking on the back on the cylinder head.
What do you think of this one? I don't think the SCR was also, that's nothing's done here.
No, nothing. They just painted the actuator. I don't think it was swapped. Look at the bolts on the actuator and the turbo.
Yeah. So nothing to worry about here as far as, let's just dig into the
SCR.
start it up and see what we have with the.
Yeah, this one's, look at this one. 92, 99.
Yeah, you see, you have all the data.
Yeah. The one that we saw at the first location, they were a lot lower. Look at this.
Yeah.
So as far as, so this one looks like it was never in the inducement mode as of right now. So never really derated that bad.
Yeah, I like this one. This truck so far seems, I mean, they obviously worked on it, but.
Yeah. So do they have another one on the lot?
Yeah, there's
You
two more.
check? Two more?
So it's.
Yeah, this one needs to be resealed from that timing cover. It's leaking on this one.
So I'm holding the hood so we don't hit it. It's very close to another truck. But what did you find?
Timing cover needs to be resealed on this one.
That's the one they didn't touch yet.
Okay.
So
Let's let me get on the other side and see what
see if you can guess the mileage from the engine, because the batteries are dead.
Let me see. Give me a second. Let me put my X-ray vision on. 300,000.
Yeah, that's the lower mileage. I'll look it by the VIN.
Yeah, take a look at the.
So on the other ones, they fixed it.
Yeah, they were
And
resealed.
That's a common leak spot,
Yeah.
right? New EGR valve.
Yeah, new EGR valve.
All right, let's do it. Close it. 280 mileage.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one's Let's see. Let's see if it's even gonna. See if it's gonna start. So what you also want to look at is the bolts on the fairing. If they're all ripped out. Look at this. They're all ripped out right here. That means during towing, the guy didn't secure it properly, and you just rip them out. Yeah. So you usually put straps in between those to because when you're pulling it by the back, the wings are spreading, so spreading apart. So we left, and what do you think?
We found one unit that was a really good. It looked like a really good unit. The other ones, unfortunately, they didn't start. Low power.
Yeah. So they have 4 of those, and I think we'll see. But I want to go back and drive them.
Get a better idea of what we're looking at.
Yeah, get a better idea when they're, because they just received them too. Yeah. So it looks like they have some catching up to do, and we'll go back, see if we can, if we like them. They have a warranty, factory warranty on them, so that's good.
That's a plus right there.
And we'll go and play with them next week. I said next week we're gonna stop by and see what's going on. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.